Hi folks, firstly I thought I'd show you this t-shirt. It's got a nice little message on it. In fact, it was a present, and I must admit I did feel quite flattered by it. Now, when most people think of Great Britain, they think probably of the English language, which is now a universal language, the greatest thing that we've given the world. And also folks tend to think of our climate, which for a good part of the year can be summed up with one word: rain. Let's face it, we are an island surrounded by the sea, and basically that does signify rain. So this little song that I'm going to do now is entitled Just Walking in the Rain, and let's face it, we Brits do a lot of walking in the rain. Just a walking in the rain, getting soaking wet, torture in my heart, trying to forget. Just a walking in the rain, so alone and blue, all because my heart still remembers you. People stop at their windows, they always stare at me, shaking their heads in sorrow, saying, "Who can that fool be?" Just a walking in the rain, thinking how we met, knowing things can change, somehow can't forget. Just a walking in the rain, walking in the rain, walking in the rain, just walking in the rain all day. People come to their windows, they always stare at me, shaking their heads in sorrow, saying, "Who can that fool be? Who can that fool be?" Just walking in the rain, thinking how we met, knowing things have changed, somehow can't forget. And that is walking in the rain. Anyhow, we'll see you soon, and bye for now.